Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful, very helpful video for any of you having Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. You guys have a few different hidden fuse boxes that are known as pre-fuse boxes. Now guys, if your car is acting up funny, you have electrical problems, okay, you have problem where the car doesn't even start, okay, we'll explain in this video today where you can expect to find the main fuse for the interior pre-fuse box. It's actually hidden, guys. We'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And before we start, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share, guys, that information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now, guys. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. What we guys have here, we'll show you where that fuse is located for the main interior pre-fuse box. Where is the main interior pre-fuse box on that Mercedes? Quick advice now before we start. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. We have like 6-7 different fuse boxes. Guys, that's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video our subscribers told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. If we guys open, okay, the interior of the car here, you see that's your glove box. You have a fuse box here on the A pillar, but guys, now here I want to show you something. If you remove that glove box on the very back, kind of like towards the left side, you have one pre-fuse box. That's the one we're talking about. Check out how many fuses are right here. Very important fuses. But guys, now that fuse box needs to get power, right? And in order to get power, it needs to have another fuse to power that fuse box where it's located now. We need to come under the hood, guys, facing the engine on the left side here. Okay, you see that's the that cover with the battery symbol, with the positive battery terminal signal. If you remove it, guys, symbol right here, if you remove it, you have that jump starter terminal. If you look at that at another angle, there will be many wires. That's actually the front engine pre-fuse box. And if you open it, okay, you will have, guys, now, okay, that diagram right here. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses, okay, let me show you now, without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check: one fuse. Now, if you have problems with interior pre-fuse box not getting power, check that fuse. But since you're already here, test all of them, guys, because Okay, sometimes when things short out, okay, multiple things can go bad. So always test your fuses here and the one in the interior pre-fuse box as well. The fuse that supplies power to the interior pre-fuse box is fuse number 10. We're talking about this humongous fuse right here. That will be the one, guys, that you will need to check on your Mercedes C-Class. You don't have any relays, you have only that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse, that's the only thing you need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys, and those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.